Hello makeup peeps and welcome to a new video. As you might have noticed, I'm speaking in English right now. This has some reasons. First of all, when I was at Laura's yard sale, I just met some lovely people and we spoke in English because they came just from around the world. And that kind of gave me like the motivation to open my videos more for this community because it's such a small community, and I was like, I want to share this with people, and German is like not the easy language to understand. And this is why I'm trying to do my videos in English. This is totally out of my comfort zone because I know it's different when I speak with people. This is quite more out of my comfort zone, but yes, doing this is my English is not so good, and this is the second point. I wanted to improve my English, and so yeah, this is an experiment I want to try. So yeah, just an information for you, and also I want to try this new format. I made a video about a new project, and I have the video on my laptop right now, and we're watching it together. I'm going to comment it, so I can give you some more information on how I build stuff or like the story behind it, and yeah, that's just what I want to try. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and let's go and watch it together. Yeah, so this reaction is, as you can see, I was so happy to find these. There was a street and we were driving with the car just across the street, and I was like, oh, there might be something. And later that day I walked to this place and I found these, and I was like super happy because for such a long time I was looking for a sorting system in my workshop here. So I just found these pieces and I was like, this is crazy. I was looking for weeks, for months, and they were just laying there just next to a kindergarten, and I was like, this is metal, this is so beautiful metal, and I was so happy. Yeah? Okay, go on. And they are pretty heavy, totally heavy. Just my top 6 shoes. This actually is my newest tool I bought, so I was quite happy to use it. Oh, this is the last time you see my old vacuum cleaner. I just got a new one, and because as you might see, this vacuum cleaner didn't fit on my tools. So every time I was working with my tools here in the workshop, just the wood dust, it all goes over the workshop, and I had to clean after every time I used it. But now I have a new vacuum cleaner, and I'm really looking forward to use it. This is such a huge tool I have here. I don't have a place for it. I can show you later. Hi guys, it's just me from the off. I just wanted to show you the vacuum cleaner. It's my new one, and I think it's huge. It do not have a space right now. It just stays here. Okay, bye. Montagekleber is the best. glue dry stuff. Yeah, I did this with the wood pieces because it felt like I want more stability because I put the metal shelves on top of each other. I was kind of scared if this very small metal pieces, these long ones, if they can hold it, if I put all my stuff in there. So I just wanted to fill this piece out so it has a plan surface if I put them like this, you know? Okay. As you can see, I don't have any space in the workshop. Now it comes to the very good part. Okay, so just before we start, behind me right now, in between these windows, there is this green wall, wood wall. This actually was my tool wall. It was just before it was like on the wall where the metal shelves are right now. But I kind of wanted to renovate or give this workshop a new order. And so this is also why it looks quite messy. But usually this tool was like where the metal shelves are. So it's not, as you can see, there are even no tools on it, just some. But this might be something for a new video. Yeah, maybe you have to leave an abo for the next videos. So you already can see in the background on the left side that the shelves are already on the wall. It's 3 shelves just übereinander, over and over and over. I was thinking a lot about how to fill up these slots in the metal shelves because I wanted to have something like transparent so that I can see what's inside, but I also didn't want to use like any plastic, or I was like, should I buy something? But I don't want to buy, and especially not buy something in plastic. But these shelves or these slots are totally different size. I think there are 3 main sizes, but it's all different. There are slots which are like this big or which are like this big, and I didn't know any solution until I came across with the idea to use my one of my favorite materials. I don't have it, it's empty right now. Cardboard. I really do love cardboard because it actually belongs to the trash, and because of that you can fuck it up because it is already trash. You get cardboards like every week or just in the just in the trash bin. It's full with cardboard, so you got like very free material and you can try a lot of times doing something. So I wanted to build out of cardboard, and I had in mind like these, well, I can show you. I think you know it, these stuff where you can put your pieces for the workshop, which has like this form, pretty straight, but it's go like a bit down. I wanted to use this. I didn't find any instruction on how to do this cardboard or with any other material, so I just figured it out myself, and I can show you. So I came by with this. This is like the template I use for the other pieces. I think it kind of looks like a butterfly or a bat, but yeah, this is how I built this stuff, but you will see this in the video. back you can also see that I already made 2 of them, so this is the 3rd try to just fix out how to properly do it. And I mean, these pieces are just holding with 1 piece of tape, so on the back. And for the first ones I also taped it like here for the front pieces, just for some, because, and I just found out in the process that the front piece actually have pretty good function, but you will see this later. Prototypes. And it fit. What I also realized is this is quite a big piece of cardboard, that's why I'm putting like this middle thing out, so I can fold it better. So I realized I can work better with thin material. I did this just for a few boxes. And with every finished box, I really have to watch out for the best slot, because it didn't always fit, and sometimes I really have to put it inside. But yeah, most of them fit. Most. Oh, yes, this is the function. If the cardboard box is inside the slot, you can just, if you don't tape it, you can just open it like a bit. And this is so cool because it stays like in this position. And if you're working with something, you can just, and you need something, grab it, just open it a bit. This is such a cool function, I think. It works so well. Okay guys, that's it. I was pretty excited. If you have anything you want to know about my workshop, about my sorting system, about my metal shelves and the boxes, please let me know. And I think in the next videos I can show you how I came up with like a sorting system. I haven't thought about it at the moment because I kind of want to have all the boxes before I do it. Actually, I can show you how many boxes are in there right now. Let me show you. So this is it right now. So there are about, I think, 30 or 40 boxes are missing. Yeah. Okay, I don't know if I'm on track again. For those people who want to just watch the video, I will upload it as soon as I can, so you can watch it without me telling you stories about it. Yeah, I really do enjoy this. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice one, and we'll see you next time. Bye.